Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to buy KPLC tokens. First, ensure your mobile money account has sufficient funds. You will need your KPLC meter number, which is typically an 11-digit number found on your meter box. This method is quick and convenient, allowing you to top up your electricity credit from anywhere. We'll cover the entire process, from initiating the purchase to confirming the token delivery, ensuring you stay powered up without interruption. To begin with M-Pesa, open your M-Pesa menu and select Lipa na M-Pesa. Next, choose the Pay Bill option. You will then enter the KPLC business number, which is 888880. After that, input your unique 11-digit KPLC meter number into the account number field. This ensures your payment is correctly directed to your specific electricity meter. Double-check all numbers before proceeding to the next step. Now, enter the amount of money you wish to spend on tokens. For instance, you might enter 500 shillings. Always review the transaction details on your screen to confirm the business number, meter number, and amount are correct. Once satisfied, enter your M-Pesa PIN to complete the payment. You will promptly receive an SMS from KPLC containing your 20-digit token code, ready for input into your meter. With your 20-digit token code in hand, proceed to your KPLC prepaid meter. Carefully input each digit of the token code into the meter's keypad. After entering all digits, press the Enter or OK button on the meter. The meter will then process the code, and your electricity credit will update, confirming a successful top-up. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is important, and this bottle makes it easy to do so on the go.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.